Hello, in this video I'll explain what's the objective of ILX 4 and how to interact with the different community leaders. If you're on ILX 4, it means that you already finished ILX 2. And this experience is very similar to ILX 2. The only difference is that instead of moving to the different locations to speak with the community leaders, in this experience ILX 4, all the community leaders will be present in this same location. In order to interact with them, exactly as ILX 2, you point to the character and then you press a trigger button.
There are many factors to consider as we move through all the stages involved in disaster management. First, I want to thank our team for developing an effective plan that addresses all aspects of managing this catastrophic event. My colleagues have identified many steps and are taking them. We will recover. Absolutely. But no one can say exactly how long full recovery will take. We stabilized the environment and restored all essential services such as food, clean water, utilities, and health care. I'm asking our community members to be patient and to work with us as we continue to rebuild our town.
So we just got the introduction from this community leader, and then again, like ILX 2, I can press the trigger button to ask the community leader a question.
As I noted, food and clean water are available. Power is gradually coming back.
In order to finish or have 100% completion in this experience, you must ask all the questions from a community leader. Once you finish asking all the questions to one of the community leaders, the next community leader will appear on screen, and then you'll be able to get your introduction and then ask all the questions. Once you finish with everything, then you'll be able to submit your attempt again by using the wrist menu and hitting the finish experience button.